Morning, everybody. How's everybody in the YouTube world today? Could it be a prettier day in Mississippi? I mean, it is absolutely beautiful. Got my elk head right here hanging up. It's all ready to go. I'm gonna take it to Dad's, and y'all hear all the acorns falling? I'm gonna take it to Dad's and hang it up out there. But man, it just cleaned up so dang good, I thought. I mean, even right there around the base of his horns, I mean, absolutely no hair, teeth are clean. He's really got some cool teeth. But the acorns are falling, and it is getting to be fall, and me and Julie and Aiden and Ainsley are all about to go to an air show. So y'all come on, go with us. Go watch some cool airplanes here in Louisville.
10 million people.
There's my crew.
Okay, I watch the live because I'm a student, and I think when you walk the line, you 10 million people. Why do we need a fire truck?
Aiden, that's your mom.
Why do we need a fire truck? Is it crashing a wheel?
Good morning.
It's gonna start a fire. We're all gonna die.
If you're not following the
I had
pictures,
coffee.
you should be, because guess what? We are on our way to, where are we going, y'all?
Aiden, where we going?
Some airplanes somewhere.
That's an ice cream maker right there. Probably is. So we're gonna go look at some airplanes. Which one we gonna fly, Aiden? Huh? Hey, look at that black one out there, dude. You wanna what? You wanna get
a
the Jeep?
picture with us? Yeah.
Look at that. Isn't that cool?
You know how you do it.
What you doing, A-Fan? I mean, Ainsley, AR? You in the Jeep? That's a cool Jeep, huh? Look, Aiden, there it goes. Finna go. I don't know how close we'll be able to get. Come on over here. He's just parking. Look at there. Taylor. Would or would not like to be a pilot? Huh?
It's gotta be a Taylor's jet.
It looks like it.
I mean, it's red and black, but it may not
Yeah.
be. I don't know.
Yeah. I don't know if it is or not, if that's one of the Taylor's jets. Love it though. I think they have a couple. Pretty, isn't it, Ainsley? Huh? Don't touch it. Ainsley Ruth getting in the fire truck. How are you?
All right, how you?
I'm good. Let's see. Let's take a picture of you. Boop. Good. That's cool, huh? Did you look around? Huh? All kind of neat stuff in there, isn't it?
Get in the front, take a picture.
You want to get in the front seat? Jump up there. You can take you a selfie.
No, you take it.
You want me to do it?
Be careful getting that down.
Yeah. Cool, huh? How's that?
Our cloud storage is gonna be filled.
It's pretty cool though, isn't it? Look at all these planes. Huh?
Let me get a picture of that.
Aiden and Julie's getting something to eat, and we just walking and looking. It looks like everybody's getting ready. That's a cool plane right there. It would have been on an aircraft carrier, I'm guessing.
And I get too many pictures. Let's go outside, Mom.
Good crowd. A lot of people here. Yeah. is so neat, isn't it, Ainsley? World War II. Isn't that neat? Hey, how are y'all? Good.
I'll tell you a little bit about the airplane itself. 163 mile an hour top speed, ceiling 15,000 feet, range 375 miles. I don't know if you'll survive the 375 miles.
You'll be circling that jumper, and here in just a few moments, I'm going to ask you to rise and remove your covers as Teresa Evans sings our
That's the
national
flag.
anthem.
Are you done with this, Ainsley?
That is so cool. Look at the red smoke coming out of that second one.
Daddy, can we do that one day?
Yeah, I'd love to.
I want to jump on the plane so bad.
That is so cool right there. I mean, that is about as cool as it gets, because he is coming in here quick, fast, and in a hurry. He's gonna land right out there on the tarmac. Look at that. Coming in hot. There he comes, straight down.
Tumbling on the upline. Over the years to ensure air show safety.
Crazy people.
This is just
That's all I know.
Daddy, will you pick me up and put me up there?
Yeah, you want to get up there? All right, let's go.
no bad. Turn it off. Stop. Is this the kind of gentlemanly behavior that we get from people from Alabama? What's the? Oh my goodness! A little late now, Grandpa. Well, that was a nice airplane. This banjo music is very distracting. Is that common? What is he doing? I'm surprised he got it off the ground. I'm honestly a little impressed. He's about to learn the hardest part of aviation, though. The ground. There you go. You weren't real attached to that airplane, were you, Bob? Hey, we do have Frank Kimball Aviation Insurance out here. You might run over there and talk to him, see if that's covered. Because I think you're going to need that. Where's Frank at? Can we get Frank over here? We need an opinion. Negative? Not covered? Not covered. Covered! Hey, you're covered. Whoa, those are trees. Clem? He said Clem, right? Can we get Grandpa? Can you communicate with him in any way? Telepathy, raccoon, possum, whatever language you guys speak. Wild hog. He's still in the air, and that's a lot more than I could say for a lot of flight students I've had. He can handle a pretty hard landing. And then there's a third option. Well, that definitely quickens the pace. He's got it inside. He's got to get the main gear on there. Then he has to kind of walk it up the platform.
He didn't make
get
it.
into position. Looks like it ain't gonna happen on this run. We'll give him another shot from the other direction. Looks like the wind shifted just a little bit. So it's not a little bit. He does have the main gear down.
Got it.
Now he has to walk it forward and get it locked into place. Whoa, Nelly, he's got it down in the locks.
He got it. That's pretty cool.
Now let's see if we can get the tail wheel.
So what do you think about it? It's pretty cool, isn't it?
Things like that.
Aiden, what do you think?
I think it's pretty cool.
Aiden gets all my Taylor hats.
Yeah, because all my buddies want them.
Cause what?
All my buddies want them.
Mama needs one right now.
They are good looking hats now.
Have the wind blown look.
Remember those outside voices?
We
Where's
just-
Ainsley?
Ainsley's
She's
over there
sitting,
sitting in the back of the truck.
videoing.
Huh?
She's sitting in the back of the truck.
pretty
Wings
neat.
of Winston. A lot of fun.
Wings
If you're
over
not here,
Winston.
Wings over Winston.
Coming up too.
If you're not here,
Hey, Miss Melissa.
you can watch it here.
Check that out, ladies and gentlemen. Greg Coots standing out there on top of that.
I'm really impressed that Aiden got up and came with us.
That was absolutely an impressive feat. Normally, there are a few acts across the country that do this truck top landing. Get your hands in
There's my little
there!
YouTuber.
Give it for the Alabama boys! Wing walking position herself from the wing. From
She's
between
on the
the
other
flight
side.
wires, she's going to climb to the top wing of that aircraft.
See her?
Pilot too?
No. See her?
Yeah.
She's making that transition now.
There it comes. She's getting turned around way out there. She went from one side of the wing over the top to the other side. So here they come right here. All right, she's on the top wing. Pretty cool. There they come. Right to us. He's gonna probably drop down right here and come in here. Right, you can see her on top there. Good now.
Ladies and gentlemen, here they are. Third strike wing mark. Stephen Tristan and Carol Milano. The Alabama boys back there underneath their airplane. They have free posters back there if you want to go back and meet
Not
the
me.
team.
You think how that wind feels to her?
Pass.
Look, come here. Look at the screen. See how you can't see it turning? Look, I know it. This is the one I've been wanting to see right here. This is my favorite. World War II. Funny how you can't tell that prop's running right there. Marine. That's a bad airplane. Going down. Wings over Winston. Pretty cool right there. There she is, right on top. That's probably it right there. That's about as neat as it gets, so I don't see them, but they're there. Pretty
Keep it
cool
going,
right
folks.
there.
They're loving it. They feed off of your energy.
We're off the bus.
Off the bus.
Ainsley got to ride a school bus.
Got my homemade ice cream.
See the school bus? Well, there's the school bus. The ice cream was pretty good. You what? Okay. Well, here, let's tell everybody bye. So, hope y'all enjoyed the show. Thanks for following the Fanchers. Angela, what we say?
God bless and Jesus saves.
Jesus saves.
See y'all.